regard to a new medication order because the dosage prescribed is higher than the recommended dosage. The nurse is unable to locate the physician, and the medication is due to be administered. Which of the following actions will be the nurse take? Diba? Yung dosage daw is
Mataas yung
mataas.
nabigay.
Isa doon sa dapat niya ibigay. Then, hindi niya mahanap yung physician. Anong dapat niya gawin? A. All the medication until the physician can be contacted. B. Administer the dose prescribed. C. Administer the recommended dose until the physician can be located. Or D. Contact the nursing supervisor.
D.
Contact the nursing supervisor.
D.
A.
Ikaw.
D.
Sinabi bang kailangan ng client? Kailangan ng client? O hindi?
May sinabi kasi dito na one.
Kailangan ng
The
client?
medication is due to be administered.
Ju.
Due
Ju.
to be administered.
D.
Ano?
Yung
D.
galing po.
Ako rin, D.
Contact the nurse supervisor.
Oo.
Ikaw. And then,
Ano yung mga
D.
choices?
hold the medication. A. Hold the medication until the physician can be located. B. Administer the dose prescribed. C. Administer the recommended dose until the physician can be located. Or D. Contact the nursing supervisor.
D.
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 Tama. D.
D.
Rationale.
Pasado na ako.
Rationale, if the physician writes an order that requires clarification, it is the nurse's responsibility to contact the physician for clarification. If there is no resolution regarding the order, because the physician cannot be located, or because the order remains as it was written after the nurse talked with the physician, the nurse should then contact the nurse manager or nursing supervisor for further clarification. Ayan.
Yun. May intindihan kayo.
Tinanong yan. Sa bayo. Tinanong yan.
Ano mananda?
Tinatandaan. Tinanong.
South naman tinanong.
Number 3 na. A nurse graduate is employed as a staff nurse
Ano?
in a local hospital.
Pangalanan mo? Pangalanan mo?
Wala.
Siyempre daw.
During orientation, the new graduate asked the nurse educator about the need to obtain professional liability insurance. The
Na-bioethics yata yun.
response by the nurse educator is A. The hospital's liability insurance will cover your action. B. It is very expensive and not necessary. C. Nurses are encouraged to have their own malpractice insurance. Or D. The majority of suits are filed against physicians and the hospital.
A.
Ano ba yung professional
A.
liability?
Pag sinabi ko, masasagutan niyo na.
Ay, yung DB.
Liability insurance protection to the nurse.
A.
O sige, again
About
Bigay.
malpractice.
Ano ulit?
Ayan naman yung ano sa akin.
Okay, ulit. Nurse graduate is employed as a staff nurse in a local
Hindi, yung ano na,
hospital.
yung...
Sagot.
So, A. The hospital liability insurance will cover your action. D. It is very expensive and not necessary.
Bakit net
D.
necessary?
Nurses are encouraged to have their own malpractice insurance. Or D. The majority of suits are filed against physicians and hospitals.
D.
No.
D. D.
A. A.
Ay, A pala yung unang sagot ko.
Yeah.
A. A, syempre,
Ako sagot,
ano eh.
D. Nurses are encouraged to have their own malpractice insurance.
Ah, bakit? Di wala sila cover ng hospital.
Wala sila ng protection.
Di sila cover ng hospital?
Stop. Rationale. Bakit kailangan encourage sila na magkaroon?
Eh, hindi pala ako yung yung Brad Pitt na yun.
Insurance is the nurses need their own liability insurance for protection against malpractice lawsuits. Nurses erroneously assume that they are protected by an agency professional liability policy. Usually, when a nurse is sued, yung kinasuhan, the employer is also sued for the nurse action or inaction.
Wala ko naiintindihan.
Even though this is the norm, nurses are encouraged to have their own malpractice.
Pero, hindi talaga sila cover ng hospital. Talagang
Ano sinabi dito?
may ganun.
ANC naman ang sagot ko dyan.
Ha?
Eh, lagi palusot mo.
Question number 4. A registered nurse arrives at work and is told to report to the intensive care unit for the day because the ICU is understaffed and needs additional nurses to care for the
Sama sa
client.
exam yun.
Ayan. The nurse has never worked in the ICU. Which of the following is the most appropriate action?
Huwag kang
Intindihin
pupunta.
niyo na lang.
Huwag kang pupunta sa ICU.
Intindihin niyo na lang.
Oo.
Magre-report siya, tapos inas siya na magtrabaho doon
Oo.
kasi understaffed. Pero hindi pa siya nagtatrabaho, hindi pa siya
Di ba siya pupunta?
nagtatrabaho doon. Ha?
Huwag siyang pupunta.
Yun na mo muna yung choices.
Nurses, refuse to report to the ICU. C. Call the hospital lawyer.
Call
D.
the hospital lawyer.
nursing supervisor. D. Report to the ICU and identify tasks that can be safely performed.
C.
Safely perform.
Kaya ito yan.
Hindi ko manalo
You identify ka as
question ako.
Tagalog mo nga letter D.
Mag-report ka, tapos
C.
identify
Gagawin mo
yung
lang.
mga may ingat, mga alam mong gawin na.
Hindi gawin na, kaya mo lang.
C.
Kaya mo parang gano'n.
C.
C is called the nursing supervisor.
Yes.
Sagot. D.
Ay, tama
Ay.
ko.
ICU, tapos kunin mo yung mga tasks na kaya mo gawin.
Ay, oo.
Lalo mong safe.
Okay, 2 points.
Sunod. Number 5. The nurse gives an inaccurate dose of a medication to a client.